back to a new video, and this is my first tutorial that I will help anyone who start or the first time starting in 3D printing. And I'm not actually a professional in 3D printing or a 3D. I'm just actually loving this machine, which is I took a Solid Doodle Pro 2. I have some video you can check out. Today I will try my best to show you how we can design in Cinema 4D or using Photoshop and Illustrator with the Cinema 4D to design whatever you like and print it in your 3D printer. The first thing that you would like to know that it's actually that the size in Cinema 4D when you design in Cinema 4D it is so big actually, so you need to resize it more and more, and I will show you how you can do it. And at the end, when you import it in the repeater host Solid Doodle, you will need to decrease the scale. As you can see in this, I am printing now something for a car, and you can see that the scale is 0.039, and that is why I like this size, because it is the same size that the real object is. So let's start it with the first time, and this is the first part actually from my video, because it will take a long time to show you everything. And the first thing is the Illustrator. When you open the Illustrator, you will appear with this window. You can use any print document, anything that you like. It's just a blank, white blank. And after that, because I have something that is not good, so I will reset my window panel. First of all, for example, you have a text, so you can write any text that you like. For example, I will write my name, and I will increase it like that with the size that I like. Then I change the font that you can, for example, and any font that is work, but at least it is actually bold, because if you choose a font that is not bold, it will not print that good actually, because of the width of the element. So you have many fonts that you can use, any font that you use. Let's use this font. After you like that one, you can change anything in this one or in this design, but what I do is that I immediately click right I will select it, click right, create outlines. That's it. That is easy way, very easy. Now file, save it, and you can save it with a new folder, in a few folder, and you can save it anything that you like. It's no matter, I don't I'm not organizing in this one, so I will save it. I'm sorry, again save it, and we are in folder 6. Let's say A, save again. And now here is actually the trick. You don't save it in the page in CS3, but you will save it in Illustrator 8, because Cinema 4D read Illustrator 8 and other, I think I didn't try it, but this is what it's work. Okay, so we save it. Now let's go to Cinema 4D. This is a design that I did, so I will show you later on how to do this scan. Now let's go to open, and we navigate to the folder. So we have an A. Here is the trick, is that there is the scale 1 centimeter. So that means why I mean that it is so long or so big in Cinema 4D is this problem. So I press OK. It's okay now. So now this is the path that we created from Illustrator. What we can do now, it is not a 3D, and when you press this one, you can't see anything. Why? Because this is still a path. We need to change it to, let's say, a 3D. What you need, you go to this bar or this menu, click and hold, select the second one, and release. Now we have a new thing. Select all of these paths, put them under the extruder NURBS, and you see that the A only that make now this a 3D. What you need to do is click this one. I can't pronounce it. Hierarchical, or I don't know. Press it, and you have a 3D part. What I do next is that I select all of these, hit C in the keyboard or at this one to make it editable, and now we have each letter alone, but I would like to join them because later on I will use them in something else. This is one way, and you can use the names in actually also in the Cinema 4D. But why I'm using this, for example, is that you can change it here immediately in the uh, in the Illustrator. Okay, and I don't know where I am. Okay, now let's say for example I will select this one and ungroup them. So I will create a outline and ungroup. Now I can change this one, make it bigger, make this one like this, make this one like this, make like this, make this like this. So you can design it as you like, and the same way you can import it in the Cinema 4D. This is one way. Let's do one things that I would like is that sometimes the Arabic language, people who speak Arabic like me actually, when we speak Arabic, that the font Arabic in Illustrator is typing, but in the Cinema 4D is not. So this is a very big problem. However, if I change the font, or if I write, for example, let's say Oman, I live in Oman, and I increase the font, and then let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now what I need to do is just, I can change the font as you know, but I will not change it, it's okay. Create outline. Now I have it. I will select this and ungroup them, select this one, put it in a way that it's connected to this one, like that. Okay, let's put it down a little bit, Oman, and a little like that one. Now select it and save it. Okay, now let's go to this one and let's open the same folder because we save it in the same one. Yes, okay, now we have Arabic font. The same thing I will do is that I will make an extruded NURBS, put it this way, and you have an Arabic font that you can print in the 3D printer. An easy way. Now I have 8 minutes of, this is the first part. I'll try my best to do the second part. Just wait. Thank you.